Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. And this is what we're making today, guys. We're making a creamy lemon and garlic chicken pasta. And these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Right here I have some green onions chopped up. I have 2 lemons. Now I'm going to show you these lemons before I go on. See how these lemons is? See if I can show you that up close. You know how the camera be acting. I zest it. Okay, now if you guys want to see me zest, not just zest, I made a lemon, where I made actually an orange lemon pepper seasoning. I'm finna show you that, guys. So if you want to see me make that, just let me know. And this is that right there. So that's how that look. If you guys want to see this recipe, just let me know and I'll make it for you guys. So that's why my lemon looking like that. Alright, let's move on. I have 4 garlic cloves right there. I have a press for the garlic. I have a squeezer for the lemon. This, I don't know why that's up here. Okay, I got some Parmesan Romano cheese right here. I have some truffle, Parmesan, and black garlic right here for my garlic bread. I have some red crushed flakes right here, red pepper flakes. And here's the chicken right here I'm gonna use. All this chicken, all I did with this chicken, I had like a rotisserie chicken, and I just picked off it pretty much. That's what that is right here, guys. So if you don't want to do your chicken, you can go to the store and buy your rotisserie chicken. I might take a little bit more off because I'm gonna make quite a bit. All right. So I have some bacon right here. Everything go good with bacon, guys. If you don't want bacon in yours, you don't have to have bacon in yours. I have some spinach right here, some baby spinach that I'm going to be using in it. Have some butter. I have some spaghetti. Alright. And then I also have some wine. White wine by Gallo. Then I have some garlic bread. Well, it's not garlic bread, it's some French bread. Alright, guys. So we're just gonna go here. I got my eye going for my my pasta. I put some oil in there. I put like 2 tablespoons of olive oil in that, and like a teaspoon of pink sea salt. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys over there, and we'll go ahead and get started on this recipe. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I just put my pack of spaghetti in there, and that water. That was like a pound of that. Okay. I thought I was recording. So you guys didn't see me do this, but I broke mine in half and put them in the water. That's all I did. Stirred them up. I put some olive oil in there like I explained earlier, like 2 tablespoons of that. We want to come in here with our meat. I'm just going to cook all of mine. I probably don't use all of this in here. It was just the rest of the bacon that I was going to use that I had left over. And I just want to use that. I really wanted some prosciutto, but I didn't have no prosciutto. And that's why I use the bacon. If I can focus that in there. So we're just gonna fry this up, guys, till it gets nice and brown. I ain't worried about the crispiness of it, but we got to have some color to it. So it should take about, I don't know, anywhere 5 minutes, depending on how hot you have your heat. And when this gets done, so we're going to use that bacon fat in there too. I'll show you what we'll be doing next, guys, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. About brown as I want it right here. So we're just going to go ahead and start taking this out. Get a little smoky in here. I'm going to turn this fan on so you may hear some noise. So my alarm won't go off. Then put it back in here. Of course, you have to wash it out, guys. Please wash your stuff out. You don't want to contaminate no one. I'm going to take half of these. I normally start with the bottom ones first. Use the other one for garnish. Like that. Take my garlic press. You gotta get one of the garlic press. Come in handy. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I mean, real handy. Whatever left up in there, I'll just throw that in there. And just around up in here. You don't want to burn the garlic. You just want to open up them pores. Get all the flavor out. Take my pepper. So we put all that in there. That's like a half a teaspoon of the red pepper. I mean black pepper. I mean the pepper. Red pepper, please. We gotta put some wine in this first, so we gotta reduce it. So this is probably like a cup of that. You just want to reduce this. Just wine down a little bit. Get all the nicks and cream at the bottom. This should take probably about good 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll show you what we'll be doing next. In a minute, guys. Okay, then we got reduced down. Take a stick of this butter. Put that in there. Then just round up in here. Ever so easy. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because I don't want to cook all my stuff out. Now what we're gonna do is take our spinach and put that in there. We gotta break this down, and it will break all the way down, guys. Make sure you wash your spinach and drain it and all that good stuff, guys. Just like that. And I'm coming with this lemon juice. Yeah, help break it down even faster. I'm using both of the lemons. Simple dish, guys. Lemon, butter, garlic, chicken pasta. make this for your family. So I have 1/2 lemon left, and I'm gonna use that at the end. We start breaking down a little bit more. We're gonna do something else, like that spaghetti. It's done already. I like mine al dente. This point right here, you're gonna add your chicken. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our Parmesan. You got fresh Parmesan Romano, that'll be super good. See how much I'm gonna add this. So all this gonna do is thicken up that sauce. It's like a 1/4 cup, guys. We're gonna come in here with our spaghetti. I should have drained that. Take that. Put that in there. Like so. Now I'm gonna add my lemon, the 1/2 lemon that I had reserved. Put the lemon in here. Just like so. And if you feel that you need like more sauce, you can also add butter, more butter. But this is it. You add your bacon in there. Just like so. A little bit more Parmesan, and it's a wrap. Like this. We're going to be probably using a whole cup. Not a whole cup, a 1/2 cup. Alright, this is done. I'm going to turn this off. Get started on my garlic bread. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Alright guys, here I am cutting up the garlic bread. Cut that part off first. You can come at an angle if you want to, like that. All right. Now, here's another little trick. It ain't this what I'm doing now. I'm just showing you something. Now here's my bread. You got some spray butter. You guys can see that. A little spray butter. And I'm coming here with this truffle. Black truffle and Parmesan, black garlic. Lightly sprinkled. So I'm just sprinkling this on here, almost done, guys. We're just gonna let this get super light brown when we put it in that oven. Like I said, be careful with this truffle, garlic Parmesan, because it goes a long ways. Just in case you didn't hear me. All right, one more spray. All right. Now put some parsley on top of that. Go ahead and hold it up high. And there you go. Right there. 1 on 1. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, guys. And when I get back, I'm gonna plate everything up, show you guys what we got. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm finally done with this creamy lemon and garlic butter chicken pasta with garlic bread. So that's how that looks. If I can get a good focus in here. Hope you try this recipe, and it tastes amazing. If you like lemon and butter and all that good stuff, you're gonna want to try this right here, no doubt about it. And it's super delicious, no doubts. So guys, please, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.